Dear students, welcome to science class. Today let's start a new lesson in the solar system. Chapter 14, the solar system. The solar system consists of all the planets. How many planets are there? Yeah, 8 planets. In the solar system consists of 8 planets that orbit around the sun. Okay, the solar system consists of 8 planets that orbit around the sun. It is orbit. Yeah, this path, circular path is called orbit. The solar system consists of all the planets that orbit around the sun. Actually, this orbit is a fixed path. All planets revolve round the sun in this fixed path. Okay, this fixed path is called orbit. Sun is the center of the solar system. I already told solar system consists of sun and its 8 planets. The sun is the center of the solar system. All of you look at this picture. Here is the sun and remaining 8 planets are revolving around the sun. The fixed path called orbit. It is the closest star to the earth. Actually, sun is also a star. It is the closest star to the earth. It gives off its own light and heat in all directions. It is a major source of all the energy. We know that sun energy is the major source of energy. It is powerful, attracts all the other objects in the solar system towards it. Okay, the next topic is planets. A planet is a heavenly body that revolves around the sun in a fixed path. This fixed path is called, I already told, this fixed path is called orbit. How many planets are there? Yeah, 8 planets are there. This all 8 planets are revolve around the sun in a fixed path. This fixed path is called orbit. The planet do not produce its own light and heat. I already told sun is the center of the solar system and it produces its own heat and light. But in the case of planet, the planets do not produce its own light and heat. It reflects the heat and light produced by the sun. It reflects the heat and light produced by the sun. There are 8 planets in the solar system, which are the in the order of increasing distance from the sun. The 8 planets are, first one is Mercury, then Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. In the order of increasing distance from the sun, അതായത് സണ്ണിൽ നിന്ന് ഉള്ള ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് അനുസരിച്ച് ഓക്കെ അതായത് ഇതാണ് സെന്റർ ഓഫ് ദി സൺ സെന്റർ ഓഫ് ദി സോളാർ സിസ്റ്റം സണ്ണിൽ നിന്നുള്ള ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് അനുസരിച്ച് ഓക്കെ അതായത് ഏറ്റവും അടുത്തത് സണ്ണിനോട് ഏറ്റവും അടുത്ത ഏതാണ് മെർക്കുറി ഏറ്റവും അകലെയുള്ളത് നെപ്റ്റ്യൂൺ ഓക്കെ മെർക്കുറി വീനസ് എർത്ത് മാർസ് ജൂപ്പിറ്റർ സാറ്റേൺ യുറാനസ് ആൻഡ് നെപ്റ്റ്യൂൺ you have to study this name in order ways okay then next one is first planet is Mercury. I already told Mercury is the closest planet to the closest planet to the sun. It is also the smallest planet in the solar system. The case of Mercury, just to remember, Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. സൂര്യനോട് ഏറ്റവും അടുത്ത സ്റ്റാർ ആണ് ഇത് Mercury and it is the smallest planet in the solar system. Then next one is Mercury. Venus. Okay, Venus is the second closest planet to the sun. Venus is the second closest planet to the sun. It is the brightest planet. Okay, just to remember, Venus is the brightest star, or it is brighter than any other planet. It is also called evening star or morning star. What is the reason? It can see in the sky either at sunset or at a sunrise. So it is called a evening star or morning star. Just to remember, Venus is the second closest planet to the sun. It is also called evening star or morning star. Then third one is Earth. Earth is the only planet with life of it due to the presence of air and water. Only air and water present only in the earth. Okay, compared to other planets, that is a very important feature of earth. Earth is the only planet with life due to the presence of air and water. This earth is also called blue planet. So just to remember, earth is also known as blue planet because what is the reason? Almost 70% of surface is covered with വാട്ടർ. അതായത് വാട്ടർ നിലനിൽക്കുന്ന ഒരേ ഒരു പ്ലാനറ്റ് എവിടെ മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ? എന്താണ് നമ്മുടെ എർത്തിൽ മാത്രമേ വാട്ടർ എക്സിസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നുള്ളൂ. സോ ജസ്റ്റ് ടു റിമെമ്പർ, എർത്ത് ഈസ് ഓൾസോ കോൾഡ് as the blue planet because the surface is covered with water. Okay, then next planet is Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the sun. It is called the red planet. Just to remember, Mars is called the red planet due to its reddish brown soil. അതായത് എന്താണ് സോയിൽ അവിടെ എന്താ മാർസിലുള്ള സോയിലിന്റെ ഏകദേശം കളർ എന്താണ്? റെഡിഷ് ബ്രൗൺ. അതായത് അയണിന്റെ പ്രസൻസ് ആണ് ആക്ച്വലി റെഡിഷ് ബ്രൗൺ കൊടുക്കുന്നത്. ജസ്റ്റ് ടു റിമെമ്പർ, ഇറ്റ്സ് റെഡിഷ് ബ്രൗൺ സോയിൽ എന്താണ് കളർ ഏകദേശം റെഡിഷ് ബ്രൗൺ കളറാണ്. കാരണം എന്താണ്? അയൺ കണ്ടന്റ് കൂടുതലായിട്ട് ഉള്ളത് കൊണ്ടാണ്. ഓക്കെ, മാർസ് ഈസ് ഓൾസോ കോൾഡ് റെഡ് പ്ലാനറ്റ്. ജസ്റ്റ് ടു റിമെമ്പർ, മെർക്കുറി is the smallest planet and it is the closest to the sun. Then second one is Venus. It is the brightest star, brightest not star. Okay, brightest planet. It is also called evening star and morning star. And the third one is Earth. It is the other name is blue planets. Reason is surface is covered with water. Then next one is Mars. Its other name is red planet. The present is reddish brown soil. Then next one is Jupiter. Just to remember, Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system, which is the smallest planet. Yeah, Mercury is the smallest planet and Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It's spin faster than any other planet. അതായത് വേഗം കറങ്ങാനായിട്ട് എന്താണ് ഏറ്റവും വേഗ സ്പീഡ് കറങ്ങുന്ന ഗ്രഹവും കൂടിയാണ് ഏത്? പ്ലാനറ്റ് ആണ് ഏത്? ജൂപ്പിറ്റർ. ഓക്കെ, then next one is Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the sun. It has beautiful shining rings. Okay, Saturn is called the ringed planet. Okay, so it has beautiful shining rings around its middle. Hence, it is called the ringed planet. Ringed planet is Saturn. Reason is it has shining rings around its middle. So, it is called ringed planet. Okay, then next one is seventh planet is Uranus. Uranus was the first planet discovered using a ടെലസ്കോപ്പ്. ആദ്യം ടെലസ്കോപ്പിന്റെ സഹായത്തോടെ ആദ്യം കണ്ടുപിടിച്ച ഉപഗ്രഹം ഏതാണ്? ഉപഗ്രഹം പ്ലാനറ്റ്. ഓക്കെ, ഗ്രഹം. ഓക്കെ, യുറാനസ് വാസ് ദി ഫസ്റ്റ് പ്ലാനറ്റ് ഡിസ്കവേർഡ് യൂസിങ് എ telescope. Just to remember, Uranus is the seventh planet from the sun. It was the first planet discovered using a telescope. Then the last planet is Neptune. Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun. സണ്ണിനോട് ഏറ്റവും അകലെ. അതായത് where's the position of Neptune? Yeah, this is the Neptune. Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun. It has fast blowing storm. It is very cold and dark. അതായത് ഒരുപാട് കൊടുങ്കാറ്റുകൾ ഒക്കെ ഉള്ള സാധ്യത കൂടുതലുള്ള planet ആണ് ഏത്? Neptune. Okay, Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun. Okay, just to remember, this is the center of sun is the center of the solar system. And the remaining 8 planets revolving around the sun in the fixed path called orbit. Then first there are 8 planets are there. The first one is Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet and it is the closest planet to the sun. Then second one is Venus. Then it is the brightest planet and it is also called evening and morning star. Then third one is Earth. Earth is also known as blue planet because its surface is covered with water. Then the fourth one is Mars. It is also called a red planet. It's a reddish brown soil. Okay, why it is red in color. Okay. Then fifth one is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. And sixth one is Saturn. It has a beautiful shining rings around its middle. Okay, hence it is called the ringed planet. Then the seventh planet is Uranus. Yeah, Uranus, and it was the first planet discovered using a telescope. ടെലസ്കോപ്പിന്റെ സഹായത്തോടെ ആദ്യം കണ്ടുപിടിച്ച ഗ്രഹമാണ് യുറാനസ്. Then the last one is Neptune. Neptune is the eighth and the farthest planet from the sun. It has fast blowing storm. Okay, dear children, the last 4 planets are very cold since they are very far from the sun. Okay, from Jupiter onwards, onwards a very cold planet, and they are what is the reason? They are very far from the sun. Okay, dear children, today itself you have to carefully read your textbook. Okay, thank you.